So warm water and salt cannot remove this turmeric and stain out, but can baking soda, alcohol, or professional degreaser. Let's put these three methods to a test. I mix baking soda, dish soap, toothpaste, and a splash of lemon juice into a thick paste. That has become like that. I apply it to the bottom drawer and left it for 30 minutes, then scrub it with a damp cloth. Result: it's come out a little bit, but not much. This mix may be good for cleaning sinks or toilet, but it couldn't remove the yellow turmeric stain. On the middle drawer, I use 90% alcohol with a cotton pad. I gently wipe the stain firmly and immediately saw the yellow cotton transferred onto the pad. Result: it worked very well. Curcumin dissolved better in alcohol than in water. On the top drawer, I spray a strong kitchen degreaser and wipe it clean. Result: no change. It works for grease, but not for this stain. Next, I wanted to see if any method could save a white shirt. I stain the shirt with a fresh turmeric. I'm gonna leave a little bit and then I'm gonna take it off, put it in washing machine and wash it in a machine as usual. You can see here. The stain was still there. I tried alcohol and the baking soda paste. I dabbed, soaked, and washed it again, but the yellow stain remained. At this point, I started to regret my experiment. Since I didn't have bleach at home, I tried one last method. I soaked the shirt in a mixture of bathroom cleaner and 90% alcohol for a full day. After washing it again and drying it in the bright sunlight, surprisingly, my white shirt returned to normal.